So, good day everyone. I'm Paul Angelo C. Victorino, and today we're gonna talk about the Chapter 9, Incentive Compensation. So, next slide. So, introduction. So, we're here to know what is incentive compensation is. This discussion will shed light on how incentive compensation can drive performance, motivate teams, and align with organizational goals. So, let's explore the power of incentives together. So, next slide. So, what is incentive compensation? So, incentive compensation refers to a method of rewarding employee for achieving specific goals or target set by their organization. Unlike fixed salaries or wages, which are consistent regardless of the performance, incentive compensation offers additional financial rewards based on individual or performance. So, yes. So, guys, ang incentive compensation, iba pa siya sa salary. So, ang pinaka-pinopoint lang nito is, yung salary, iba siya. So, etong incentive compensation, makukuha mo siya based sa performance na ipapakita mo doon sa company na pinagtatrabahuhan mo. So, madami siyang way para makuha. So, mamaya tatalakayin natin siya. So, next slide is, so, we're gonna talk about the objective of incentive compensation. So, ano nga ba yung objective ng incentive compensation? Bakit meron nito sa isang company, sa isang organization? So, isang objective nito is motivating performance. So, it involves creating an environment where employees feel motivated, engaged, and committed to delivering high-quality work and achieving organizational goals. So, guys, incentive compensation aims to motivate employees to perform at their best by linking rewards like directly to them, directly to individual. Pero, hindi lang to ginagamit sa individual. Minsan, minomotivate din ito. Kunwari, isang team kayo. Ginagamit din to para ma-motivate. Yun yung objective nun. So, next one is attracting talent. So, it involves creating an appealing and enticing environment, culture, and set of opportunities that make the organization an attractive choice for potential candidates. So, this can include offering competitive compensation package. So guys, hindi lang para ma-motivate. So, ginagamit din to ng isang company or ng organization para makapang-attract sila ng talent. Like, kunwari, isang company, meron akong napakagandang compensation, ay incentive compensation. Yung mga top talent sa ibang pwedeng lumipat sa akin yun kasi yung pinagtatrabahuhan nila ngayon, hindi ganun kaganda yung incentive compensation. So, maaaring lumipat sila, maaaring ma-attract sila dun sa kung ako yung may-ari ng company, yung inaano kong incentive compensation, maaaring lumipat sila sa akin kasi nga mas maganda. So, next one is driving result. So, driving results. So, it involves setting clear objectives, developing action plans, allocating resources efficiently, and monitoring progress to ensure that desired outcomes are achieved. So, by tying compensation to achieving predetermined goals or targets, incentive compensation programs encourage employees to focus on activities and outcomes that align with organizational objectives. So, guys, ginagamit tong para yung incentive compensation para yung goal ng company is mas matamaan, mas on point, mas ganahan talaga yung mga employee doon na kailangan ko mas gawin to ng tama. Yun yung pinaka-example niya. Mas maganda yung drive na naidudulot nito sa mga employee. So, yan lang. So,
it pays to have happy, motivated employees in your organization. They're more productive, stick around longer, and help improve company performance. But it's not always easy to get employees excited and motivated about company objectives. That's where our custom employee incentive programs come in. When you want to achieve specific goals or need to change attitudes and behaviors, we can help you get all of the employees in your organization heading in the same direction. It's a simple concept. Whether the behavior you want to change relates to safety, sales targets, or anything in between, if you can envision it, we can develop and promote it. Here's how it works. Each time an employee demonstrates the desired behavior, they earn points. Once they earn a certain number of points, they're eligible for a reward of their choice. It starts with an email congratulating them on their achievement, along with a link to an online site we've customized for your company. Once there, each employee can browse through a wide variety of gift options and pick the one they want most. We customize the reward options to your company's demographics to ensure your employees find the selection interesting and appealing. Whether it's a lifestyle reward or a contemporary option, we can provide it. We take care of all the small details. We order the selected item, receive it, inspect it, label it, and ship the gift to each recipient. Everyone's a winner. Employees feel appreciated, valued, and motivated. You eliminate the hassle and inconvenience of running out to find appropriate gifts. And your company has a stronger, happier, results-focused culture. To learn more about how we can save you time and money with our sophisticated employee incentive programs, contact us today.
So next slide tayo guys. So the next slide is types of incentive compensation. So first one is sales commission. So what is sales commission? So sales commission are a common form of incentive compensation for sales professionals. They typically receive a percentage of the revenue generated from their sales, providing a direct link between their performance and their earnings. So best example here guys is kunwari ako ahente ko ng kotse, nagtitinda ako ng kotse. Mas marami kong nabebentang kotse sa mga gustong bumili. Mas marami din akong makukuhang sales commission. Yun yung isang type of incentive compensation na maaari mong makuha. So next one is bonuses. So siya yung number 2 natin. So what is bonuses? So bonuses are like surprise rewards for a job well done. So a job well done that they're the extra payments given to the employee. So like when they hit their certain targets, like meeting sales goals, finishing project ahead of schedules, or delivering exceptional customer service. So mag-start tayo dun sa goals na mai-hit na pagka na-hit mo yung goal na yun, pwede kang bigyan ng isang company ng bonus. Like kunwari, goal mo makabenta ng 3 ngayong linggo, then nakabenta ka, maaaring bigyan ka nila ng bonus dahil doon. So, next one is finishing project ahead of schedule. So, pagka mas maaga mong natapos yung project mo na yun, maaaring mabigyan ka ng bonus kasi sobrang bilis mong natapos to. The next one is delivering exceptional customer service. So, kung napapansin ng company mo yun na ang galing-galing mo, then yung mga feedback sa'yo ng customer is napakaganda, maaaring bigyan ka ng company ng bonus na isa siyang type ng incentive compensation. So third is stock option. Yan. So stock option. So what is stock option? Stock option are like a special perk that allows employee to buy company stock at a set price in the future. So if the company stock's price goes up, they can buy it in a lower price and make a profit of it. So if like being rewarded with a stake in the company's success, so ginagamit din to ng mga company guys. So kunwari, parang ang ganda ng effort na binibigay mo, so nagbubunga siya, maganda yung sales na ginagawa mo, pwede ka din nilang bigyan itong type of incentive compensation which is stock option na pwede kang bumili ng stock sa kanila in the near future na pagka umangat yun, mas mababa mo lang siya mabibili. So, ang fourth natin is profit sharing. So, profit sharing. What is profit sharing? So, profit sharing is like sharing the success of companies with its employees. So, when the companies makes a profit, a portion of it distributed among employees. So, it's a way of saying, we did well together, so let's celebrate together. So, eto guys, ginagawa tong profit sharing ng mga company magaganda talaga. Like, kunwari, may na-hit na naman silang another milestone and kumita sila. Yung kinita doon, hindi nila sasarilihinin. Ang gagawin ng mismong company is, kunwari, 100k. Yung sa company is makukuha lang is 50k. Then yung 50k, sa lahat ng employee na yun, ipapamahagi yun sa mga kasama doon sa gumawa ng project na yun. So that is the profit sharing. So the fifth is non-monetary rewards. So non-monetary rewards is like a extra perk that recognize employee for their hard work. So this include things like public recognition. So guys, ang lahat ng may type na incentive compensation na hindi lang pera, hindi lang meron din tayong non-monetary rewards na kung saan kunwari, 'di ba minsan pagka natatapos yung first season ng year, may parang reward. Yung reward na yun, parang aakyat ka sa stage, then bibigyan ka ng best employee, then papalakpakan ka ng lahat. Iyon yung isang example ng non-monetary rewards na makukuha mo. So, yun lang ang types of incentive compensation natin. So, next slide. So next slide is impact of incentive compensation. So, ano nga bang impact ang nagagawa nito sa isang organization? Ano nga ba ang nagagawa ng incentive compensation? So, first is as individual. So, incentive compensation directly motivates employees to perform at their best by offering rewards for their achievements. So, next one is as a team. So, as a team, incentive compensation fosters a sense of teamwork and collaboration among employees who are working towards shared performance goals. So, next one is as a organization, incentive compensation programs drive overall organizational performance by aligning individual and team efforts with strategic objectives. So, yun nga. Yung impact nito guys is sobrang ganda. Kasi hindi lang nito natutulungan yung company, natutulungan din ito yung mga employee na nagtatrabaho mismo. Like, hindi sila nalulugi pag mas nagbibigay sila ng extra effort. Kasi di ba minsan ang binibigay lang ng employee is bare minimum lang. So, dito mas parang sila nare-reciprocate ng employee yung kayang ibigay ng organization na dahil as individual pwede kang kumita ng mas malaki dahil dito sa incentive compensation. As a team, mas tutulungan kayo nitong magtulong-tulong, mas marami kayong kasi nga yung drive nyo is tuloy-tuloy. Kasi nga may gusto kayong matapos, may goal kayo. Then dito sa org din, yung performance nyo is mas align siya, mas alam nyo yung tinutumbok nyo. So yun lang. So next slide is challenges in implementing incentive compensation. So first one is clarity and transparency. So think of clarity and transparency as the headlights guiding everyone. So when it comes to incentive compensation, it's vital that everyone knows the rules of the game. So imagine working hard, not knowing that how your efforts contribute to your rewards that you can gain. So with here, they ensure that everyone knows what they're aiming for. So next one is measurable matrix. So with here guys, measurable matrix. You're on a road trip. Example, you're on a road trip with no map and no destination. So, well, that's how it's like when without measurable matrix. So, incentive compensation, they need this matrix as a signpost, showing us our progress and keeping us on track. So, next one is fairness and equity. So, fairness and equity are the cornerstones of any well-functioning system. So just like a referee, ensuring a fair game, fairness and equity in incentive compensation ensure that everyone has a fair shot at the rewards. It's about ensuring that everyone and achievement are recognized and rewarded fairly. So the last one here is risk of gaming the system. So guys, imagine if every time you played a game, someone found a loophole to win unfairly. That's the risk of gaming the system in incentive compensation. When the focus shifts from genuine achievement to finding shortcuts, it undermines the integrity of the entire system. So that's why it's crucial to design incentive structure with checks and balance to minimize this risk and keep everyone playing by the rules. So that's it. So in conclusion, guys, incentive compensation isn't just about rewarding employees. It's not about that. It's not just about that. It's a vital tool for fostering engagement and driving organizational success by aligning incentives with goals, ensuring fairness, and staying mindful of the challenges and consideration. Business can create programs that inspire their workforce to excel. Thank you for all your attention and engagement throughout this discussion. I'm Paul Angelo C. Victorino, and thank you.
Hi everyone, it's Yanis here, and in this video we will explore what is incentive. To influence people in your life and convince them to take action, you can use this simple strategy. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Incentives are usually extrinsic motivators which reward actions to yield the desired outcome. This can be monetary or other type of reward. People go to work and get paid salary. If they work even harder, then they can sometimes earn the bonus or commissions. This is an incentive or monetary reward for showing up to work and doing the job, but there are also other types of incentives. For example, the parent can say to the child, "If you will tidy up your room, then I will buy you your favorite chocolate." There are also negative incentives. These are the things that we want to avoid, and we will do anything to achieve that. The parent could say something like this to the child: "If you will not complete your homework, then you won't be able to go outside and play with your friends." Adults also have negative incentives in their lives as well. For example, if you don't show up to work on time, then you'll get a warning that can lead to losing the job. In our lives, we are always trading with incentives. We promise to our friends to help with their studies if they will come to the gym with us. If you want to get your parents to buy you a new bicycle, then you can promise that you will study hard and help them with houseworks. So you have to keep an eye out, and if you want to influence people in your life, then you have to incentivize them to take action. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what incentives are and how to use them. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.